Brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I bring to you a divine secret, a spiritual practice so simple, yet so powerful that it has the potential to change the entire course of your life. A blessed Wazifa, rooted in the beautiful names of Allah, that once recited with full conviction, sincerity, and love, will open doors you never imagined existed. This is not just a recitation. It's not merely a spiritual act done out of habit. No, this is a transformational practice, a powerful amal, a divine formula of healing and barakah that, inshallah, will wash away poverty, dissolve pain, and lift every shadow of difficulty that looms over your life. Take this moment seriously, dear viewers, because today your story is about to change. The power of Wazifa and blessed water. Imagine this, a glass of clean water sitting before you. Nothing fancy. Just pure, clean water, glass, plastic, clay, or steel. The material doesn't matter. What matters is what you breathe into it. What matters is the divine remembrance you recite over it, and how that water transforms from ordinary to extraordinary. Water, my brothers and sisters, is mentioned countless times in the Quran. It is life-giving, purifying, and sacred. And when we infuse this water with the names of Allah, we are not merely drinking, we are absorbing divine light, healing, mercy, and sustenance. This Wazifa I'm about to share with you, using names like Karīmu, Azīzu, Raḥmānu, and Jabbāru, is not a tale or superstition. It is a spiritual treasure, tried and tested by thousands who were drowning in hardship, and when they drank from this blessed water, their lives blossomed with ease, Rizq, healing, and serenity. The last day of your poverty, inshallah. Today could be the last day you suffer under the weight of poverty. Yes, you heard that right. If you're someone who's been stuck in a life full of financial struggle, constant sorrow, or unexplainable sadness, if your health is declining despite all the medical treatment, if your efforts are constantly blocked, your progress stalled, your heart filled with worry, then I ask you, pause everything and give this Wazifa a chance. Let the water become your witness, and let the names of Allah heal you. Because whoever has performed this Wazifa properly, sincerely, and with full trust in Allah, has returned with nothing but miracles and mercy. And I say this with certainty, not a single soul has ever walked away from this Wazifa unchanged. If you feel it didn't work, try again, but this time, do it with your heart. A Wazifa that heals the body and the soul. This Wazifa is not only for financial issues, it is for spiritual blockages, diseases, black magic, evil eye, and emotional distress. If there are illnesses in your body that the doctors can't explain, if your home feels heavy with negative energy, if you or your loved ones are affected by sihr, nazar, or hasad, if things just don't move forward in life despite all your sincere efforts, then know this, Allah is greater than all your problems. And His names, when recited properly, carry a cure for every illness and a key to every locked door. So prepare now with sincerity and humility. Step by step, the water-based Wazifa. Let me walk you through the proper way to perform this blessed amal. I urge you to follow each instruction exactly as described. Don't rush. Don't skip. Listen carefully because this moment might change your cadre. Step 1. The preparation. Choose a time when you are free, undisturbed, and in a peaceful state. Morning or afternoon is best. Sit down with a glass of clean drinking water. It can be in glass, plastic, clay, or steel. Any vessel will do. Do not touch the water again after placing it before you. Sit calmly in a state of wudhu if possible. Hold a tasbih, prayer beads, or use your fingers if you don't have one. Step 2. Begin with Durud Sharif. Start by reciting any Durud Sharif once. You may recite Durud Ibrahimi or a shorter one like Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad. This is essential as sending peace upon Prophet Muhammad beautifies and elevates any dua or wazifa. Step 3. The 4 divine names. Now we begin the actual wazifa. You will recite the 4 beautiful names of Allah in the exact count I give below. Karīmu 10 times. the most generous, the one who gives without measure. Azīzu 11 times. The Almighty, the one who grants dignity and strength. Rahmānu minus 21 times. The most merciful, the one whose mercy knows no bounds. Jabbāru 7 times. The compeller, the one who mends broken hearts and fixes what no human can fix. Recite these slowly, sincerely, with full trust that Allah is listening, that His names are echoing in the unseen, transforming your life. Step 4. Recite Surah Al-Fatiha. Now, recite Surah Al-Fatiha once, the opener of the Quran, the essence of divine mercy. Begin with Aidhu Billahi min al-Shaykni al-Rajim. Bismillahi al-Rahman al-Raḥmānu. Recite Surah Al-Fatiha once. This is the seal to your Wazifa. Step 5. Make dam on the water. After the full Wazifa is complete, blow gently onto the water once or 3 times. Then, drink from the glass yourself. Share the remaining water with your family members, especially those facing sickness or sadness. Any leftover can be poured into your water cooler, clay pot, or used in cooking. Let your entire home be filled with blessed vibrations. Let every drop carry shifa and barakah. What happens next? My dear brothers and sisters, the one who performs this Wazifa with faith, with patience, and with trust in Allah will witness miracles unfold. People who were once drowning in debt began receiving income from completely unexpected sources. Homes that were once cold and lifeless became places of joy and laughter. Patients who had lost hope in medicines found peace, relief, and complete healing. Even those affected by deep, dark black magic freed within days. Spiritual cages were shattered. Blockages lifted. Why? Because Allah says in the Quran, "And when my servants ask you concerning me, indeed I am near." Can I repeat this amal? Yes. While even one time is enough for a lifetime, you may repeat it after a few days, especially if you want to maintain spiritual strength or are facing ongoing struggles. Treat it as a conversation with your Lord, a supplication soaked in love, a moment where your soul bows before Allah's mercy. Final words, a dua for you. May Allah accept your Wazifa. May He turn your worries into contentment. May He replace your illness with healing. May He transform your scarcity into abundance. And may He bless you with so much Rizq, peace, and happiness that you become the reason others believe in the power of dua. Don't forget to leave a beautiful name of Allah in the comments. It's a small act, but one that invites blessings. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with more inspiring Islamic content. Like, share, and comment to support our work and spread the message. Until next time, take care of yourself. And remember me in your duas. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. My beloved brothers and sisters in Islam, peace be upon you all. Today I bring to you a Wazifa, not just any Wazifa, but a spiritually potent, life-altering amal rooted in the blessed name of Allah, Ya Rahman, the most compassionate. Such pain. This simple act, if performed with true sincerity and faith, can transform your life in ways you cannot even begin to imagine. I invite you to listen attentively, follow along with an open heart, and inshallah, witness a miracle unfold before your very eyes. Let me ask you, are you burdened by hardship? Does your home feel empty despite being filled with people? Are you surrounded by sorrow, grief, illness, or poverty? Have you tried everything and found no way out? Then today, listen closely, because by the mercy of Allah, this could very well be the last day you ever feel. I promise you, if you carry out this Wazifa exactly as I explain, with full faith and presence of heart, inshallah, you will see a transformation that even the world will witness. The chains of poverty will be broken. The doors of Rizq, sustenance, will be opened wide. Your sorrows will turn into joy. Your emptiness will be filled with blessings. And if you feel no change, then you may question me. Because when the names of Allah are recited with sincerity, miracles do happen. Let me share with you this sacred amal, this life-changing Wazifa of Ya Rahman. Perform it just once, yes, just once, with pure intention, and you will feel as though joy has been injected into your soul for a lifetime. So come closer, dear ones. Come close with your illnesses, your tears, your problems, and your worries, because what I'm about to give you has brought relief to hundreds before you, and it will bring healing to you as well, inshallah. This wazifa, this amal, is a gift. It is not just for wealth, but for those who are battling unseen diseases, mysterious illnesses, sudden misfortunes, and spiritual blockages. Those who suffer and feel no one sees their struggle, this is for you. And believe me, many have done it before you and found healing they never thought was possible. Now listen closely. This is how the amal is to be performed. Preparation for the amal. First, you will need a simple glass of water. Any kind of clean drinking water will suffice. It can be in a glass of plastic, steel, clay, or even glass. What matters is the purity of your intention, not the vessel. Sit down in a peaceful place. Choose a time when your heart is calm and your mind is free. Don't rush through this. Don't read it while you're distracted or multitasking. Give it the reverence it deserves. You don't need to go to a specific place. You don't need a special time. Just find a moment of calm in the morning or afternoon when your heart is still. Then begin the amal while seated, with the glass of water in front of you. Do not touch the water after filling the glass. Let it rest. Before anything, begin by reciting any Durud Sharif, even just once. You may recite Durud Ibrahim or the simple salawat upon the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. This opens the door of mercy before you proceed to call upon the names of Allah. Step-by-step wazifa for healing, rizq, and relief. You may use prayer beads, tasbih, to keep count, or simply your fingers. But make sure the count is exact. Do not change the numbers. The secret lies in the adab, manners, and the exact sequence. Recite 10 times, no more, no less. Recite it with sincerity, imagining that you are standing at the door of the King of Kings and you are asking him to open his treasury of mercy. The voice you selected does not support this language. Please click the upper right corner to switch to another voice. Recite 11 times. This name of Allah brings izzah, honor, strength, and might to those who feel defeated and weak. It restores your lost dignity and removes the humiliation of poverty and hardship. Say it as though you are calling out to the one who can lift you from the lowest place and raise you high. Third wazifa. The voice you selected does not support this language. Please click the upper right corner to recite 21 times. This is the heart of the amal. The name Rahman holds immense power. Recite it slowly. Let the name melt into your heart. Let it echo in your soul. Fourth wazifa. The voice you selected does not support this language. Please click the upper right corner. Recite 7 times. This beautiful name of Allah removes sorrow and compensates for every broken piece of your life. It is through Jabbāru that wounds are healed, injustices are corrected, and the broken-hearted are made whole again. After this, recite Surah Al-Fatiha or Surah Al-Ikhlas and then conclude with Durud Sharif once again. Final step, the dam, blowing on water. Now take the glass of water. This act, known as dam, is a blessed sunnah and carries immense spiritual effect. Then drink from the water with full faith in Allah's power. Let every sip be a sip of healing, barakah, and transformation. Allow your household members to also take a sip from this blessed water. If there's leftover water, you may pour it into a clay pot, water cooler, or wherever water is stored. This will spread the barakah in your entire home. How often to perform the amal? Though once is enough, if you feel the need, you may repeat this amal after a few days. Inshallah. Reflections and final words, my dear brothers and sisters. Perhaps there was a time in your life when no one saw your pain, when your struggle went unnoticed, when poverty gripped your heart, when doctors gave up, when helpers disappeared, and when your prayers seemed unanswered. But now is the time to believe again. Now is the time to call upon your Lord, not with fear, but with hope. Inshallah, if you act on this wazifa, you will see wonders. Every person who has done this amal before you has experienced a shift, whether in their rizq, their health, or their emotional state. Some had their long-standing debts disappear. Others felt peace return to their homes. Some found healing from chronic illnesses that no treatment could cure. This is not magic. This is not superstition. This is the power of Allah's names, and when they are recited with love, trust, and reverence, the unseen begins to open for you. Don't forget, if you're watching this video today, it is no coincidence. It may very well be the answer to your silent du'as, the ones you made while crying alone. Allah heard you, and He guided you here. So try this once. Just once. And watch what happens. And if you benefited from this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with more inspiring Islamic content. Like, share, and comment to support our work and spread the message. Type any one of Allah's 99 beautiful names in the comments as a way of spreading barakah and beginning your journey toward divine closeness. May Allah grant you health, wealth, ease, and endless blessings. May He be your guide, your healer, your protector, and your source of joy. Until next time, take care of yourself, and please remember me in your precious du'as. Allah Hafiz.